focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey guys, I'm back with a human hair wig that I'm super excited about because it's from our good friends over there at KLAIYI Hair. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers. So like I said, I'm super excited. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to this wig as well as all of the details about this wig. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So if you're an oldie but goodie, you know how much I love KLAIYI Hair. It's probably one of the most reviewed human hair wig companies that I do on this channel because they are just thatbomb.com. All I did was take this out of the shipping packaging because, as always, y'all know I like to unbox. I ain't inboxing nobody or texting. That's my problem. That's why I'm sitting here alone. That one a completely different. I like to unbox everything on camera with y'all. So I took it out of the shipping packaging, and the wig comes in its hard magnetic box, but of course they do give us a silk case for storage. If we open up the wig, what they've included in here, let's see what extras besides the wig. Okay, besides the wig, they have included the standard extras that you get from any company. You have an edge band with their branding on it, some HD wig caps, and some press-on nails. They've also included some styling clamps, which a lot of companies aren't sending these anymore, so that's actually very helpful. All right, so I'm just gonna read the details about this wig off of its packaging, but like I said, look in the description box for more details about it. All right, so this is one of KLAIYI's famous pre-everything wigs that I absolutely love because I can't comb hair. This is a 13x4 Yaki straight 24-inch Brazilian hair wig. Like I said, I read that off of that packaging. But if you look in that description box, you'll see more. So they include more of these pre-everything tabs that are so dope. I actually like glue tabs. I use these on all of my units, not just the one, the wig that they come with. Let's look at this texture and this cap construction. Okay, so the texture on this unit, Lord have mercy. Y'all, isn't that gorgeous? I love a Yaki straight unit. You cannot go wrong with a Yaki straight unit, and KLAIYI's Yaki straight units are some of my most favorite. Absolutely gorgeous texture. As far as cap construction goes, I don't know why I did that to y'all. You get that 13x4 parting space, and they've already put 2 of those pre-everything tabs in the wig for us to use. But like I said, they sent us a whole bunch of extras. You also have an adjustable strap and an extended comb and some, it's not sticky to touch, but it's an adhesive band that makes that back lay flush on your head. It also has a glueless adjustable band that has been placed in this wig as well. So everything that we love about this unit, this is going to be super quick, super easy, super cute. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head so you guys can see what it looks like right out of the pack. Then I'll probably run my flat iron through it and I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't on me. Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Alright guys, I know that was super quick, but that just speaks to how amazing these Pre-Everything wigs by KLAIYI hair are. Y'all know I'm very transparent in the fact, although I've been wearing wigs for almost 10 years, I cannot comb hair. So when I can get a human hair unit that is this easy to style, to just really throw on my head and go, and everything truly has been done. Did I say that right? Everything's already been done for me. Y'all, I am in hog heaven. This Bone Straight wig by KLAIYI is giving me everything that I could possibly want in a wig. I don't have a single con. Of course, no shit, no tangling right out of the pack. But I also didn't have to cut anything. I don't have to pluck anything. I didn't have to dye anything. All I did was run my hot tool over the top, and this is how beautiful this unit is. This one is a must-have in your wig arsenal. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this unit. But like always, I encourage you to look around KLAIYI's website, because they make this wig with this same cap construction in every color and texture that you can possibly think of. As a matter of fact, I'm about to film another that I ordered from KLAIYI. It's almost the same wig, except it's a body wave, just to show you guys how easy it is, no matter what the texture is. Like on that Pre-Everything is a body wave, and they've already pre-curled it. So definitely can recommend this one. Go check them out. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Can you focus on me?